What are the formulas required for solving banking problems?
There are only two formulas which are very easy. So you need to focus and do not make a mistake in writing or putting wrong values. So you need to be very careful in calculation, else everything is fine. First formula is for I, that is calculation of interest. So I is equals to P into N in brackets N plus 1 whole divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. These symbols that we are using here are standard symbols. You can take them directly without even mentioning anything. But if you take any other symbol other than this, then you will have to specify what does that symbol mean. You cannot just assume that the teacher will get it. So if you are using A as a certain symbol, for example for amount, and not MV as maturity value, then you will have to state what is A. So you have to write amount bracket A, then you can write. Else you'll use, it's better if you use standard symbols. MV is equals to P into N in brackets plus I. The reason that I have put brackets in here, because some people mistakenly add this up. But you need to know that in BODMAS rule, we first multiply and then we add. So if you are not putting the brackets, you need to be careful. But the best practice is put the brackets and solve the sum